Alright, so this is John. When you do it, I have a problem with my blower, so I'm going to replace the blower. I already replaced the resistor, the blower resistor, and now I'm going to replace the blower. So here's the blower right here. Get this one out of the box, and I have a set of Torx drivers. I got to figure out which one it was. It looks like it might have been a T15 or T20 to remove the blower. There we go. There's the blower motor. So the blower motor has 3 screws to secure it and a connector for the power right there. So I'll remove the old one, install the new one. Should take me only about 5 minutes. So when you're removing this screw, you want to be real careful that it doesn't fall behind that piece of shroud there. Otherwise, you might have to go digging for it or take that off, and that's extra work you don't want. So there's a tab on the plug right there. You push that tab in and pull it out. Don't do what I'm doing here. I strong armed this and I broke the tab off of the blower. Now you can't see this on camera, but I'm installing the plug to the blower just by putting it in the plug and pushing it in. So installing the blower, you want to make sure you get proper orientation of the blower. There's a tab that sticks out so you know exactly where to put it. And then doing this with one hand is kind of tough, but it is possible. I was able to do it. At one point I do hold the screwdriver with my other hand, but really I'm just using one hand to pretty much do everything right there. Once I get it installed, part way, I don't want to tighten it down all the way, then I start securing the other screws. Now this screw I'm starting by hand because I don't want it to fall behind that plastic piece there under the dash, because again that would be more difficult having to get that. Alright, so now I'm tightening down each screw, torquing it down till a point where I see that I think it's sufficient enough. You don't want to over torque it and strip the holes. After replacing the resistor and the blower, all speeds work. So replacing the blower was pretty easy. It took me under 10 minutes to replace it. Remove 3 screws, remove the wiring harness. There's a little tab you push in the wiring harness. Installed the wiring harness on the new blower and installed the blower. So under 10 minutes we had it installed. Link to purchase this is down below in the description, and as always, hit that like button if you like the video, share it with others if you know that they have a problem, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks.